Hello everyone, Sara here from Learn Urdu with Sara. Today I'm going to teach you 8 verbs in Urdu related to water. So the first verb is behna, which is to flow or to leak as well. Pani beh raha hai. The water is flowing. Pani is water. Pani beh raha hai. If the water is leaking, you say pani beh raha hai. Pani beh raha hai nal se, isko band karo. Isko band karo. That means stop it. The second verb is dalna, which is to pour. Dalna. Pani dalo. Pani dalo. Pour some water. Isme pani dalo. Third one is pina, which is to drink. मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ. मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ. A man is saying that. मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ. Ubalna is to boil. Ubalna. Ubalo. Pani ubalo. Pani ubalo. So this is a command. This is an imperative sentence. Pani ubalo. Ubalna is the verb. The next one is dhona, which is to wash. Dho. Dhona. पानी से धो. इन बर्तनों को पानी से धो. इन बर्तनों को पानी से धो. Wash these dishes with water. इन बर्तनों को पानी से धो. The next one is nahana, which is to shower or to take a bath. So सुबह सुबह मैं नहाई और मैं सुबह सुबह नहाई. मैं सुबह सुबह नहाई. If you're a man, you'll say मैं सुबह सुबह नहाया. मैं सुबह सुबह नहाया. I showered or I took a bath in the morning. This is the past tense. If you feel confused about any of these grammatical constructions, I'll put the link in the description box because I made a lesson on these grammar points. Okay, so the next one, it might be new, is तैरना. तैरना is to swim. तैरना. मैं तैरने जाती हूँ. I go to swim. मैं तैरने जाती हूँ. Here, तैरना is used as a whole verb, the base verb, or infinitive verb. Because in English you have I go to swim. So to swim is तैरना. मैं तैरने जाती हूँ. You make it into an oblique case where you decline the I ending into A ending because there's a postposition that's implied. So basically the sentence will be मैं तैरने के लिए जाती हूँ, but sometimes people omit के लिए. मैं तैरने जाती हूँ. The last one is डूब जाना, which is to drown. डूब जाना. वो डूब गई. She drowned. Or वो डूब गया. वो डूब गया. I hope you found this video helpful.